Who's going to be 10? I'm going to be 10,000 on it. Who's going to be 10? 95. Going to be 10. Going to be 10. 95. I'm going to be 10. I'm going to be 10. 95. Who's going to be 10? Who's going to be 10? Who's going to be 95? I'm going to be 10. I'm going to be 10,000 on it. Who's going to be 10? Here 95. Who's going to be 10 here? I'm going to be 10,000 on it. Here 95. Who's going to be 10? Going to be 10 here. I'm going to be 10,000 on it. Here 95. Going to be 10. I'm going to be 10,000 on it here, 95, you're going to be 10, take her outside, going to be 5, I'm going to be 10 here. I'm going to be 10,000 on it here, 95, you're going to be 10, you're going to be 10, you're going to be 10, going once. 95, going to be 10, twice. Final last call, you're going to be 10,000 on it here, you're going to be 10 here, 95, you're going to be 10, you're going to be 10 here. Boom, 95.
Lot number 417 is a 1959 Nash Metropolitan. 1500cc engine, 3-speed manual transmission. This automobile's from Nevada. Absolutely no rush.
I'm going to be 20, you're going to be 15, down on it, you're going to be 15, you're going to be 10, down on it, you're going to be $5,000. Thank you, sir. I'm going to be 6,000 on it, you're going to be 6, you're going to be 5, you're going to be 6 here. I'm going to be 6,000 on it, you're going to be 6, you're going to be 5, you're going to be 6 here. I'm going to be 6,000 on it, you're going to be 6 here. Okay, it's the right number, just the wrong description. I'm going to be 6,000. I'm going to be 5, you're going to be 6, you're going to be 6,000 on it here. You can see what's in front of me, you're going to be 6,000 on it here, you're going to be 6 here. I'm going to be 5, you're going to be 6 here, you're going to be 6 here. I'm going to be 6,000 on it here, you're going to be 5, 55. No, oh. Look at my way. 6,000. You're up, you're going to be 6, sir. 55, you're going to be 6. 6 to be, you're going to be 5. I'm going to be 5 here, yes sir. I'm going to be 5 here, you're going to be 5, I'm going to roll it, going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 6,000 to be, going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 500 on it here, you're going to be 5, going to be 5 here, going. Reserves off. Reserves off. I'm going to be 500, and you're out, sir. I'm going to be 6,500. I'm going to be 5 here, 6 and B, going to be 5, going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 5 going blocks. I'm going to be 6 down, get it on 5 twice. Final last call, 6,500. Sold $6,000. Sold 6,000. I need a little help. Go straight down the middle to your right with the dog. Whoa. I have 6. Okay. There is a confusion. It is. I'm going to put it back up. It is his bid. He thought he was in. It's a tie bid. It's only between you two.
You gotta be 62.50.
You got to be 62.50.
You win.
I'm going to be 250. Going to be 50. So 6,000. What was I all about? 11298.
Lot number 418 is a 1998 Cadillac Eldorado North Star V8 engine. Oh my goodness, automobile, nice looking car.
I'm going to be 10, I'm going to be 2, you get it down, I'm going to be 10, I'm going to be 2, you get it down, 15 here. I'm going to be 10,000 up 3, 4. I'm going to be 4,000 on it, here, you're going to be 4, going to be 4, here, you're going to be 3, big 35, 4. 4 big 5, 45, 5. I'm going to be 5, 5, 55, going to be 6. I'm going to be 6 down, big 5. I'm going to be 5, going to be 7. I'm going to be 7 down 5. I'm going to be 75, I'm going to be 5 here, going to be 500. I'm going to be 7 to be, going to get it on 5 here, going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 7 to be 5 here. 7 down to the big, going to be 5 here, going to be 5 here, going to be 500. I'm going to be 7 big, going to be 5 here, going to be 5 here. Make a great driver for somebody. I'm going to be 7,500. I'm going to be 5 here, going to be 7 big here, going to be 5 here, going to be 5. I'm going to be 7,500. I'm going to be 5 here, 7 B, going to be 5, going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 500, going to be 7 B, going to be 5 here, going to be 250, going to be 250 here. I'm going to be 250, going to be 250 here, going to be 250 going once. 72.50 twice. I'm going to be 250, going to be 250, going to be 250. Both 7,000. We need help. Need help. Yeah. C. Earl Householder.
Lot number 419, 1936 Dodge half-ton pickup truck. Black 6 engine, 3-speed manual transmission, beautiful green and black exterior, brown interior, beautiful, beautifully restored old truck.
I'm gonna bet 30, get it on 25 here, get it on 8, 9. I'm gonna bet 9,000 on it here, gonna be 9 here, get it here, gonna be 9 here, gonna be 10,000 on it here, gonna be 10 here, 90, get it on 10 here. I'm gonna bet 10, get 11,000 on it here, get 11 here, 10 big, get 11 here, gonna be 11,000. 11,000 on it here, gonna be 11 here, gonna be 10 big, get 11,000 on it here, gonna be 11 here, gonna be 10 big, and 5, 11,000, 11,5. You can drive it anywhere. 11 to be 5 here. 11,000 to be 500 on it here. Gonna be 5 here. 11 to be, gonna be 5 here. Gonna be 12 here. Gonna be 12 here. Gonna be 5. 12 up the middle. Gonna be 5 here. 12, 5. Gonna be 5 here. Gonna be 5 here. Gonna be 12, 5. Gonna be 13. Gonna be 13. Gonna be 13, 5. I'm gonna be 5 here. Gonna be 5 here. Gonna be 5, 14. I'm gonna be 14. Down on it here. Gonna be 14 here. Gonna be 14 here. So we got again. 14, 5. I'm gonna be 5 here. Gonna be 14 B. Gonna be 5 here. Gonna be 5 roll the truck. I'm gonna be 500. 14,000 to be. Gonna be get it up 250. Gonna be 5 here. I'm gonna be 250 to be 5 here. Gonna be 250 to be. Gonna be 5 here. At 5, 750. I'm gonna be 750. 14, 5. Gonna be 750. Gonna be 750 here. Gonna be 750. Gonna be 750 here. Gonna be 750. I'm gonna close it at 14 pounds, sir. They want close it to 18,000.
Lot number 420, 1986 Lincoln Town Car Executive Series. V8 engine, all original miles, loaded with all the creature comforts.
Yeah, but the time of the day, get it on, get it on, the time of the 10, here, gonna be 10, gonna be 8, here, gonna be 5,000. 5,000 on it here, gonna be 5 here, gonna be 3,000 on it here, gonna be 2,000. I'm gonna be 2,000 on it here, gonna be 2, gonna get it on the top here, 2, gonna be 25 here, gonna be 5 here, gonna be 3. I'm gonna be 3,000 on it here, gonna be 5, gonna be 5, gonna be 3, big, gonna be 5 here, gonna be 5 here. I'm gonna be 3 big, gonna be 5, gonna be 35, 5, gonna be 500 on it here, 3 big, gonna be 5 here. I'm gonna be 5, 4, gonna be 4,000 on it here, gonna be 4, gonna be 4 here. I'm gonna be 35 big, gonna be 4, gonna be 4,000 on it here, gonna be 4 here. And butter up, taking away 4, 4,500. I'm gonna be 4 big, gonna be 5 here, reserves off, reserves off. I'm gonna be 4,500. I'm gonna be 4 big, gonna be 5 here, gonna be 5 here, 4250 up ya. I'm gonna be 250, get it on 250 for the big, gonna be 250, gonna be 250, gonna be 250. Sold $4,000, sold 4,000. I had no clue what you said. $15,181.
Lot number 421 is a 1962 Polaris convertible rear automobile, automatic power steering, power brakes, V8 engine, indoor storage for over 20 years.
Even a bit top does work. Top does work. I get it down to the top of the 35 here, gonna be 5 here, gonna be 30, gonna be 30 here. I'm gonna be 20,000 on it here, gonna be 20 here, gonna be 15,000 on it here, gonna be 15 here. I'm gonna be 10,000. I get it on 12,500. I'm gonna be 12,500 here, gonna be 12,500 here, gonna be 10 B, gonna be 12,500 here, gonna be 12,500. I'm gonna be 15,000. I'm gonna be 15 here, gonna be 15 here, gonna be 12,500, gonna be 15 here. 15,000 on it here, gonna be 15, gonna be 17,500. I'm gonna be 17,500, gonna be 17,500. 15 pound B, gonna be 17,500. I'll take 16 to help you. I'm gonna be 16 here, gonna be 15, 16. 17, 17, 18. I'm gonna be 18, bit of a butter up and take around. Gonna be 18 here. I'm gonna be 17, gonna be 18, but you gonna, yeah. 17,500, 18,000, 18,500. Reserves off, 18,500, 19,000. I'm gonna be 19,500. I'm gonna be 19,500. 20. I'm gonna be 500. I'm gonna be 5, gonna be 5 wide. I'm gonna do 5. I'm gonna be 5, 21 big, gonna be 5, gonna be 5 here, gonna see what happens when you let the reserve 22. I'm gonna be 2, now 5. I'm gonna be 5 here, now 3. I'm gonna be 3, you're gonna be 23. I'm gonna 3, 5. I'm gonna be 5, gonna be 5, gonna be 3, gonna be 5, gonna be 5, gonna be 5. 23,000. Yeah, sold. Sold. 1018.
Lot number 422, 1976 AMC Gremlin, original car with custom paint, power steering, automatic transmission, manual brakes, nice little car, rare.
I have a bit of time. Look at this car. Hey. When's the last time you seen one of them? I have a bit of time. When's the last time you drove one of them? Okay. Hey, a bit of time. A bit of 10,000 out of here. You're going to be 10 here. I give it down to 2,000, 3,000. I'm going to be 3, you're going to be 3, you're going to be 3, count down to 3, 25, 3. I'm going to be 3, 25. I'm going to be 35, I'm going to be 5, count 4. I'm going to be 4, going to be 4, going to be 4, going to be 4 here. Now, Mike said something earlier about buying something and putting it away. Buy this and put it away for 3 or 4 years. And I'm telling you, you'll double, triple, or whatever. Wow. I'm going to be 35, going to be 4, going to be 4,000 out of here. You get around 750 to be 4. Are you sure? I'm just making sure. 4,000, 42.50. Now you're out. I'm going to be 250, going to be 250, going to be 250, going to be 250 here. I'm going to be 250, get around 5, going to get around 45 here, going to be 750. 47.50. 45. Where are you going to find one, first of all, and then make it look like that? I'm going to be set for 47.50. I'm going to be 5, going to be 750 here, going to be 750, going to be 750, going to be 7. Butter up, take it out. I'm going to be 47.50, 45, 750, 5,000. I'm going to be 5 here, going to be 5, going to be 5 pounds out of here, going to be 5 here, going to be 5. I'm going to be 5,000 out of here, 47.50 to be 5 here. Are you all right? 5, 250. I'm going to be 250, going to be 2, 5, going to be 250, going to be 250, going to be 250, going to be 250, going once. What? Returns off. Returns off. I'm going to be 250. 1,000 going to be 250, going to be 250, going to be 250, going once. 5,500. 57.50. I'm going to be 750, going to be 750, going to be 750, going to be 750, going to be 750. Sold $5,500. Sold $5,500. 18361.
Lot number 423 is a 1966 Ford Mustang. 6-cylinder engine, 3-speed manual transmission, power brakes. Oh, excuse me, no power brakes. New front coils, shocks, upper A-frames. Oh my goodness, it's in good shape.
I'm going to be 20, you're going to be 25 here, you're going to be 5 here, you're going to be 20, 10 out of here, you're going to be 20 here. 15,000 out of here, you're going to be down a little bit, 10,000 down. 10,000. I'm going to be 10, 5, 6,000. Thank you, 7,000. Thank you, 8,000. Thank you, 9,000. Thank you, 10,000. I get 11,000. I get 11 here, you're going to be 10 B, you get 11 here, you're going to be 11 here, you're going to be 12. I get it on the internet, Bill. Sorry, 11, 5, 12. And now the internet's out 12. 11 pounds, going to be 12 here, you're going to be 12, going to be 12 pounds out here, you're going to be 12, going to be 12 here. 11 pounds, going to be roll it, going to be 12 here, going to be 12, 11 pounds, going to be 12 here. I'm going to be 12,000 out of here, 11 pounds, going to be 12, going to be 12. Hey. Absolutely. And going to be 12 here. 11 pounds, going to be 12 here, going to be 12 pounds out of here. Reserve is on. Now's what it counts. 12,000. 12,500. I'm going to be 5 here, going to be 5, going to be 12, 5 here, going to be 5, going to be 12, B, going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 12,000, going to be 5 here, going to be 5 here, going to be 5, going to be 12, B, going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 5 here, going to be 12, 5, 13,000. Yep, 13,000. 13,000. You want to do 750? Is that what you're trying to tell me? I'm going to be 5, I'm going to be 750, going to be 7 going once. I'm going to be reserves off. I'm going to be 12, 750 twice. And 13,000. Reserves off. 13,000. I'm going to be 13 going once. I'm going to be 13 twice. Final last go. I'm going to be 13,000. So 12,750. 1512.
Lot number 424 is a 2006 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Super Sport. V8 engine, 4-speed automatic transmission, power sunroof, Original window stickers, all manuals go with this vehicle. One owner car.
I'm going to bet 48,000 miles. You're going to have 25 here. I'm going to bet 20 pounds down here. You're going to be 20 here. You're going to be 15 here. You're going to be 17 here. You're going to be 8,000. 8,000 on it here. You're going to be 8 here. You're going to be 9,000 on it here. You're going to be 9 here. You're going to be 10,000 on it here. I'm going to bet 10,000 on it here. 9 here. You're going to be 10 here. 95 now 10. You're going to be 10. You're going to be 10 here. I'm going to bet 10 big. You're going to be 500 on it here. You're going to be 5 here. You're going to be 10 big. You're going to be 5 here. You're going to be 10 5. 10 5 11. 11,000 on it here, you're going to be 11 here, you're going to be 11 big, you're going to be 5 here, you're going to be 5 here, you're going to be 11 5, you're going to be 5 here. Just stay sitting there, don't worry about it. 11 5, thank you, 12. I'm going to be 12, you're going to get it down 48,000 miles. I'm going to be 12, you're going to be down 12 here, 11 5, you're going to be 12 here, you're going to be 12. I'm going to be 12, thank you, 5. You're going to be 5 here, you're going to be 12 big, you're going to be 5 here, you're going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 12 big, you're going to be 100 car, going to be 12 5, roll it, going to be 5 here. I'm going to be 12 pounds to the big, going to be 500 on it here, going to be 5 here, going to be 12 big, going to be 5 into the 500. And 12,000 there, 12 5. I'm going to know 100 car, going to be 5 good miles, only going to be 5 here, going to be 12 big, going to be 5 going once. I'm going to be 12 5, twice. Final last call, going to be 12 5. Close it, 12,000.
Lot number 425, 1995 Ford Bronco.